Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include parking sensors, blind spot monitor, cooled seats, sun moonroof, ventilated seats. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 GS 350. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering.